Hello there, this side Ron. Are you looking to build an engaged online community, host courses, or create a membership site all in one place? Welcome to Mighty Network, the ultimate platform designed to help creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs build their own digital ecosystem. Whether you're launching a paid membership, offering online courses, or fostering a thriving community, Mighty Network provide all the tools you need to grow your audience and monetize your expertise. Right, so let's go to Google, search for Mighty Network here, click on this first link, and you will land up here. Now let's go to the pricing because obviously it is going to play an important role. So you can always try for completely 14 days, right? And it's completely free and you will get this amount of features. But after that, you need to buy a subscription if you are really interested to use this application. So this is a community plan that is $41 per month. This is a courses plan, the business plan here, right? And the path to pro plan. You can come to this website, you can compare all this plan by yourself. Now monthly is slightly expensive than yearly. You can see here 2 months is completely free if you buy the yearly plan. Now let's go and click on start free trial. I will use a Google account to make a normal account here, but you can just, if you want, you can go with a normal email address here. Click on continue. Now, once you click on continue here, it will ask you here are the quick 4 steps to set up your Mighty network. So what do you want to bring together? So let's say I want to sell courses and hit the enter bar here. So here it will give you some of these options here. Now let's say that's it, right? And you can choose it here. Now you can just answer it. Do you like any of this name for your community, right? So I don't like it. I can just go and create my own, right? For example, filex express. Now click on that's it. Now it will give you some of this more question. I love it. A few more question. How do you see your member connecting with each other in real time or feed with post and comment, right? You can choose all, you can choose for this option. Do you want to set up and explore any of this? Yes, I want to set up a course here, right? Are you thinking of running event? Not to start. Are you, how about a welcome page? Sounds good. Now click on next. So why Mighty is asking you this question? So Mighty is asking you this question. Obviously, you can change later, but it will help you to customize each and everything here. Now here automatically it will give you something like this. For example, Firex Express, right? This is how it looks. You can change it, or you can just go and click on suggest again, and it will suggest everything again here. Now click on OMG yes, right? If you somehow, if you don't like the logo, it's fine. You can just go and click on next or OMG yes here, and then I will show you how you can add your own logo and all this stuffs very easily. Click on accept all cookie here. Now just give a few seconds, automatically it will just create it. Now, Mighty offers you a lot of things. For example, community building, online courses, membership, live event, custom branding, and there's a lot more. So it's really easy. The setup process to create an account is very straightforward, even for beginner. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into creating content for your Mighty network. So here on the left side, you will see a lot more options here, right? And on the top, it will show you till on what date you have a free trial. Now here on the left side, left top, you will see this option of create. Now from here, you can just go and click on create. Let's say I want to create a courses, right? We'll just go and click on create courses. Now courses will be in section or lessons or quiz, or simply you can just go live here. I will create in a section manner. So very first thing, that is an overview. Now then let me just close this up. Now there's a new section. I will edit it up. Now the new section consists of, let me just erase here. I will just write here setup, right? I can write all this information. Now while writing this information here, I can just go and click on create, right? I can create lessons or quiz here, right? And let me just make it complete big dashboard here. Now here the visibility is right now hidden. Okay, and there's a lot more option. For example, unlock notification, thumbnail, right? And obviously you can do a lot of things here. Simply just go and click on edit here, right? And in the edit section you will able to add all this stuff. Now if you want to create a new section, you can create a new section here. A new section has been created. Inside that section you can just rename it, right? The next process and whatever it is, right? So in this way, just you can just go and click on courses here. And somehow if you want to invite it, share, you can give the access of specific options, right? So simply let's go and click on create. I'll just create a new section. Now edit this section here. Now let's say Wix part 3, right? And here I will show you, here I will continue Wix complete tutorial part 3, right? And I can just add more information here. Now this is more option, for example the visibility and everything here, right? You haven't finished your changes. Okay, so I just need to add the video, so I can just directly drag and drop and put a video here. I can put a thumbnail here, so I can just go and click on thumbnail, right? And in this way, let's say I just want to add a new lesson here, right? And you can just do a lot of things directly from here. You can use categories and tags to organize post into topics, for example fitness tips or writing prompts. Same way, if I just go and click on create, now let's go and click on create feed. Now inside the feed I want to create just a normal post here. I will just go and add a photo. Let's say I will add a normal photo here, right? And this, I am trying to build a community, how we do it over the school or just Discord, right? So you can just do it here, right? You can share the information to your entire small community which you have made. You can use the article editors to write, for example if you want to write a long stuff here, just go to article and add a lot of information you want to add. So these tools ensure your content is organized and easy to find. Now, one of Mighty Network standard features is the ability to host and sell online courses, which I've already shown you. And that is what Mighty is being used for, and people just like it more. So here, not only just one courses, you can create as many courses as you want. You can set pricing, decide if your course will be free or paid, set a one-timer fee or subscription. You can even create a space for your team member or as well as for your community. Now this space is regarding only chat, so you can just come here, do a Q&A session, and you can answer to their questions, right? You can do the polls, and it's completely how you manage your community. Now Mighty Network also offers powerful tool to manage members and monetize your platform. Now create free and paid membership levels. You can create basic, pro, and premium, right? So here you can see daily streaks. Daily streaks is basically, if you're using this Mighty platform again and again or not. Right now here you can just go and invite your team member. Pretty much easy. Now this is a chat section. If somebody want to do a chat with you, they can do it directly from here. Now this is personal settings and all this option here. Now this is a monthly billing plan, which is basically for the Mighty, not your billing sections here. So I can just come up here and I can create, not create, I can just go and buy the plan directly from here. Now for those, if you don't know that how to set pricing on the courses, just to go and select the courses here, click on the settings gear icon. Here you will find this option of space branding. You can change the color and other stuff here. Now if you just go and check out this members, so this is a member list, right? So you can just add your member list and everything directly from here. You can just download, you can invite it, right? This is a moderation, so you can report content and other information, right? And in the end there's a plan option, so you can just go to the plan list here and you can create a plan. So let's go and click on create plan, but this plan will only use in only these courses. For a different course you need to create a different plan here, right? So this is how it happens. Let's go to your plan, and to create a your plan you have to first of all upgrade your account, and then you will create a plan for which you are going to charge your community to buy the course and everything here. Now you can also track metrics like member growth, engagement, and revenue directly from your homepage, right? Now finally, Mighty Network provide tools to foster engagement and build thriving community. You can host live streams, webinars, and Q&A session to create with members in real time. This is it. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you're thinking to build a community, sure, you should just go and create it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.